Today, I tried building an app using Replit's AI Agent without much preparation. The idea was simple. Create a scripture navigator where we can browse Hindu scriptures in a structured way. But honestly, the real goal was to see how far vibe coding can take us. I started by using 3 different tools, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Replit Agent itself, to collect hierarchical data about Hindu scriptures. After experimenting, I realized that Perplexity gave me the best structured JSON. It had clear categories like Shruti, Smriti, Vedas, Upanishads, Puranas, and more. So I decided to use that as my base data. Next, I passed this data to the Replit agent and asked it to use a Sanatan-inspired color theme, make the navigation visually appealing, add a search feature, and later, generate meaningful images for the scriptures. Step by step, the agent started building the app. I kept giving it instructions, fixing issues, and asking it to fetch more examples, quotes, and stories to complement what we had. There were some hiccups. The search didn't work at first. The UI looked too plain. And the data lacked examples. But with each iteration, it got better. Finally, I also tried generating custom images for each Veda using the agent. It came up with beautiful visuals representing Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda, and Atharva Veda. That really added depth to the app. By the end, I had a working app deployed with hierarchical navigation, summaries, highlights, quotes, and images, all built almost entirely using Replit's agent. And here's my biggest takeaway. It's always better to focus on gathering and verifying your data first, then start building the app. Doing both together slows things down and leads to messy iterations. This was my first experiment with vibe coding, starting raw, without a detailed plan, and figuring things out as I went. And honestly, it was fun. I'll definitely be doing more of these. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.